Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you. Every time I try to call, something keeps calling me back. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you. Yeah, I know what this is.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title down below, your girl is going back to America. My mom's birthday is coming up. I have some things that I have to tend to. Going to go support one of my sisters, and yeah, I just got some things I need to do going home. So this vlog is just going to consist of us just packing up to go back home. I look crazy because I was supposed to get my hair done last night, but the girl, well yesterday, but I thought she was going to have appointments the day of because I didn't know what time I'd get off of work, and she didn't have no available appointments. And we'll be right back. We're just going for a couple weeks, get stuff out the way. We'll be right back. Oh yeah, so I just got ready. We're about to head off to the airport. I don't know if I like this style. It's just right now, y'all, I'm going through it. I need to figure out something with my hair when I get home. So we're about to go to the airport. Baby boy already ready. I got everything packed. So yeah, I'm about to take y'all with us. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can, but y'all know how it be traveling with a baby. If you know, you know. If you don't, it's hard. So yeah, we out. I didn't like that style, so I did this style. I think I like this one better. I mean, they both trash, but yeah, I'm gonna go like this. So just got him, just got done getting ready. Just waiting for the driver. Like I told y'all, our driver is like family now, but he take forever. When you need him to come on time, he don't come on time. But when you don't need him to come on time, he come on time. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to wash off my don't mind my bosoms. I'm trying to wipe off my Crocs. I had got me and baby matching ones, but he grew out of his, so I'm gonna have to get him some more. Yeah, so I'm just wiping them off because they were just a little dusty. So, a little dusty. So it's like bittersweet right now, y'all, because we not ready to leave, but we need to go get a few things. And then we also, we need to go get a few things, and then we also need to, I'm sorry if the fan is loud, y'all. It's hot. Hot as fuck. So, yeah, we need to go back home and get some stuff, and then my mom's birthday is coming up. I had some like weddings that I needed to go to, but I'm coming back too late to go to them, and I need like some stuff to get done. My cousin, my aunt, and everybody's coming in town, so I didn't want to really miss out on the opportunity for my son to see his family and meet some people back at home. So I didn't want to miss out on the opportunity, so I was like, it's the best time to come back now. Sorry, I just feel like y'all can't hear me, so yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, so we got family that's coming home, so you know, we just need to go home and handle some things. So bittersweet because we really don't want to leave, but we'll be right back. So while I'm overseas, tell me what like type of content y'all would like to see, because I really don't know. I don't know, but what I'm definitely going to try to get y'all some stuff like going through the airport today. I swear. Our flight leave at 1:35, and right now it's 10:11. Let me call him. And it's raining today. It has not been raining for real the whole time. Hi there, Roy. Okay. You on the way now?
Yeah, I'm on the way.
Yeah, because we still have to go to the ATM and everything. So you think we still on good time?
Huh?
We still on good time?
No, I'm coming across for you.
Okay. All right.
10 minutes to hit me.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yes, baby. Good.
His ass ain't 10 minutes away. So let me get myself together. And I told y'all, like I said, I'm gonna try to record the whole process of traveling with a baby, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. Bye. Hey y'all, so we are heading to the airport. Yep, going to America.
Original. Expensive though.
So y'all, basically we just got to the airport. We just got to security. The line wasn't too long, but we in the stroller wheelchair line. Okay y'all, so we just made it through TSA. I'm sweating. This is the true life. Lips all white and crusty. I'm tired. And baby over here, we are tired. This is life as a mom traveling with the 8-month-old. Y'all, it's a real life. I'm telling you, people think it's easy. This is rough. Traveling with a baby, rough. I'm on my phone right now, but I'll be on my camera soon. Okay, y'all, so we made it. And right now, I'm hot as heck. I end up getting a patty, some Sprite, and then I just made him a bottle. Well, his dad made him a bottle before he sent us off. So yeah, right now, just, you know, just hot. We got here super early. I usually get here right on time to where we can get through, but I didn't want to test it, so let's see. Yeah, so I didn't want to test it, so we got here early. I couldn't, so the only thing is, if you're traveling with a baby from Jamaica and you're traveling by yourself, you have to be mindful that you can't check the stroller in the car seat. You have to check it. You can't check it when you check in at the front. You have to check it at the gate. Only reason why I don't like checking the stroller at the gate is because it just be too much in my hand. When I'm by myself, I do mind checking it at the gate because I have to put it in the bags. I have to just do too much. So that could be a little overwhelming, but yeah. So we're just gonna wait for boarding, and then yeah. Okay, guys. So we are walking to our gate. Yes. So, y'all don't believe what Frontier got us doing. Frontier got us walking to the plane with a 20+ pound baby. Look at this shit. This is crazy. Y'all, this is crazy. Literally boarding from outside.
And ladies and gentlemen, as we make our final descent into Atlanta, once again, please remain
back up under the seat.